Hello, Leroy Wignot. We're looking at a swarm that a friend of mine from church, Dan, and his wife found at Westfield Airport. My hive's out there. It's in a small Bradford pear. We were really amazed at how big this swarm was. This was a big swarm. So we decided we can cut the tree down with a pair of trimmers, kill a Bradford pear at the same time, and just shake it into the box I'd prepared earlier in the morning that way. The tree was harder to cut than I expected, but they eventually made it through and got it cut. So now the only secret is to get the shake right. You only get one try at getting the shake right. And when I do the shake, I really realize we're looking at this and we can see how many bees are on here, which is a large swarm. And it's just amazing to look at them because they'll all be pointed in the same direction. They're all lined up perfectly, and really amazing to see. I have not looked at very many swarms like this, and Dan, this I think may have been his first one. So here comes the big shake. Getting ready. You only get one try. You gotta make sure as many bees as possible land in the center of the hive, and then work their way down into the hive. So it really emphasized how many bees there were. It was 2 to 3 inches thick across the whole top of the hive and bees. You can see the bees pouring over the side and falling off. Just a lot of bees, and very few flying. The bees really stayed down, went into the box, and were very friendly. Just amazing to watch them as they're working their way down into the hive, going between all the frames. And quickly became apparent from the behavior of the bees that the queen was inside the hive. So we started very quickly seeing bees march their way into the hive. So a few bees are starting to gather again on the tree. So maybe one more shake. But now, even this short time, the bees have all cleared off the top of the frame, so I can hit it again and not hit bees. So I hit it one more time, and it doesn't show it, but there was a lot of bees that fell down. Then amazingly, tree that was beside Dan in the earlier video, this swarm showed up. There was no bees on this tree before. So we missed the shake, but we did the same thing as before, cut the tree, brought it over to another empty hive that had been prepared, shook them into that box, and again, they all went down into the box, acting like there was a queen in that hive with them. So none of us knew where that came from. So in the end, I got a new hive on the left, a new hive in the shake, and then I went through a hive and found a queen cell and did a split. Thanks, like and subscribe.